Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design workflows with Notion AI for maximum efficiency. So designing efficient workflow with Notion AI involves integrating its powerful features into structure and automated process. So here is a step-by-step guide including examples and a sample dataset to help you get started. So number one is that you will just identify workflow goals, define what you want to achieve with your workflow like task management and content creation, team collaboration, and data management. You will just choose it of your regarding your content. And if I just sample database for practice create, so I will just something write a sample data set. Let's just tap to enter. And before you just give them title, and you will just tap on the bottom center is table. So right now here you will just like give them name of like task, just tap to enter. And the next one is that you will just tap on it plus, and here you will just write it like priority. So you will just select it from here also in suggestion. So just tap on priority level, and again I will just tap to plus, and I will just type like task status. Again I will just tap on it plus, and I will just tap on it due date, and again I will just select it plus, I will just write it like assign, and just tap on it. And the last one is that notes, so I will just select it notes. So right now I will just select it, so I will just make them short, and that can you make understand easily. Okay, so right now I will just type like, okay, so in the task name is I will just write it like write blog post, and just tab enter. And in the priority I will just write it for high, and just tap to enter. So the task status, like if I just working on it, so I will be just give them status in progress, and just tap to enter it. And due date is on Monday, and just simply select it. And assign, you will just tap to person name, example like Ailis, just tap to enter. And the notes, if I just tap on like draft blog on Notion workflow. So in this way you can just create your sample database for practice. And if I just tap on it like the new page, and in this column row I will just write it like team meeting prep, and just tap on it. And again I will just give them a status of priority level like medium, just tap to enter it. Again task status, so this task I will not getting started, so I will just give them a name like not started, and just tap to simply enter. And you will also tab on it due date, which is 14 of Jan. Simply just give them name of assign, like Bob, and here is the note for it, and like prepare agenda for Q1 kick off, and just tap to enter it. So if I just again tap on new page, and I will just give them name like data analysis, and again you will just give them priority level of low, just tap to enter. Now again tell the procedure of if you are working on it or not getting started or completed. So I will just give them name of completed, and just tap on enter it, and give them due date, which is I will just randomly give them 15 of Jan. Again you will just give them name like Charlie, just enter it. And for its notes, so I will just write it review last quarter sales data. So you will just I will just completely tell you step by step guide. In this way you can just create a sample of your data whichever you will work on it. So using Notion AI with this data set, you will just create auto prioritized based on due date, mark task as high, medium or low priority, and you will just summarize, generate a summary of completed task for weekly reporting, or you can just generate next steps, suggest follow up tasks, schedule a review meeting on the blog post. So in this way you can just use Notion AI for design workflow with maximum efficiency. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.